If you guys have a Dodge and you need to test your car battery but you find out it's bad, we'll actually share in this video how you can repair it, so make sure to stay until the end. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Dodge vehicle. It could be any Dodge such as Charger, Challenger, Dodge Ram pickup truck guys, Durango, doesn't matter what it is. If you have one of those and you need to test your car battery on any Dodge vehicle, we will explain how you can easily do that and find out if it's good or bad. We will recommend to do certain procedure to make sure that you can test the car battery and find out for sure if it's good or bad, and if it's not, we'll talk how we can repair it as well. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So we have that Dodge Challenger that we just got at a Copart car auction guys. Probably you've seen the video maybe on the channel. It is smashed, okay, a little bit, but it's been sitting for a while, so we'll be working on this one for a while. You need to locate where your car battery is located. Sometimes on Dodge it could be really tricky. Sometimes it's under the hood, sometimes it's behind a fender, sometimes it's in the trunk. So you need to find where the car battery is located. Once you do that, what you need to do, go ahead, open here and locate it in our case. Now let me talk about something first. These modern cars, it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn the electronics on your car, so be extremely careful. You're going to go ahead, connect the positive 12 volt cable to the positive terminal of the battery, negative on this side will go. And now the little device will power up. And let me show you what we have here. Okay, it says 12.72 volts. We did charge the battery last night, okay, and we want to test it now. Okay, we're going to select language. You have different languages here. In vehicle test, or we can do out of vehicle. We'll do in vehicle. This device can actually test the cranking power as well, charging system of your car. We'll show you, we'll talk about that. This before or after charge. Ours is after charge. Radio or flooded battery. Now we'll be using cold cranking amps units, and this battery it says 730. Already have it preset here, but you can just go up and down if you need to. Select that. It's testing. Let's see now what's going to say. Okay, 480 amps out of 730, that is low guys, it says replace. Now, one thing about that battery, I am pretty sure we can repair it, and we will have a special video on our channel how to repair car battery, how to fix car battery. Check it out, it will teach you how to do it without getting your hands dirty at all guys, okay? It's an amazing device that we use, and it can rebuild batteries, it can give them fresh life as well. Now if you want to check your charging system and stuff, you just click OK, you start the engine, it does the cranking test, and it can find out if the battery can hold, okay, while you're cranking the vehicle as well. I recommend to do that, but never do it inside your garage because you can die from the exhaust guys, so always do it outside. That's how we do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.